Elmerfield is the oldest used car dealer in the San Fernando Valley. We offer good prices and excellent customer service. Call us directly and ask about our inventory, 818-892-8689, or you can visit our website at www.elmerfieldautos.com. We specialize in bad and new credit, even if you have a bankruptcy. Elmerfield specializes in BK auto loans, since 19...
Elmerfield is the oldest used car dealer in the valley. We offer good prices, excellent customer service. Call Elmerfield directly and ask about our internet specials, 818-892-8689. We specialize in bad and new credit. Even if you have a bankruptcy, Elmerfield has specialized in BK auto loans since 1972. We can get you in a used car, truck, or SUV today, with as little as $500 down.